Occiput test right here when I let it go. I know it's guarded, and it's guarded because his body's like trying to fight me this way. When I go this way, yep, there's a lot of guarding in there as well too.
Okay.
Easier on the head. Good. Up, down, drop. Oh, wow. Yeah.
Oh, baby Jesus. Oh my God.
Holy cow, that was great. Woo.
So this is just a temporary fix though, isn't it?
Let's address this. So, is there anything in life that's permanent?
No.
No. Do you eat a salad once and think that you're healthy for the rest of your life? Never. So anything in your body is never going to be quote unquote permanent. But when you think about the duration of how long you've had this,
9 years now, yeah.
Right? This is probably the best your neck has felt in 8-9 years, right? Temporary things happen when you don't make changes to your daily life. The way that you make this permanent is by doing things differently on a daily basis. So if you create this, like what you've done over the past 8, 9, 10 years has created this pattern that you're just kind of stuck in. So you're stuck in this compensatory pattern. If you change what happens here after today, the relief that you have will quote unquote be permanent. Will you have issues like this? Sure, maybe at some point again.
Right.
But is it going to be the same way? Absolutely not. Because you know now in your mind like what's caused a lot of this to happen. Like we see what's happening on your x-ray. So if we change how your structure is, we change what you do on a daily basis, we change you not like doing this so much all the time when you need to, and you do the things differently afterwards, after you've had that long day, then it becomes permanent. There's no pill, there's no surgery, there is no exercise that ever is going to make something permanent. So people chase this fallacy of permanent fixes, permanent cures, when it's not ever anything that ever can happen in somebody's body. You'll always have pain, but the severity and the intensity of that pain should never be the same.
Well said.
So we're seeing how much we're having to fold here. Oh, nice.
There we go, right there.
Woo.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That was good. That was good. Yeah.
A little different, right?
Yeah.